So write this adjustment relevant for accrual expense. It has given accrual expense opening balance as well as closing balance. That is the important thing. You know how to adjust accrual expense. Normally double entry, relevant expense account debit, accrual expense account credit. But in this example, it has given opening balances also as accrual expense. Let's see the question number 1. Given trial balance of Samant Enterprise as at 31st March 2021. This date should be equal 31st March 21. This is our accounting period. And telephone expense available trial balance, that is a value paid in cash. There were double entry, cash account credit, telephone expense account debited. But it has given accrual telephone as at 1st April 2020. Our accounting period end of the 31st March 21. And given accrual telephone opening balance. This is the previous year not paid amounts. Previous year. And additional information, it has given telephone charges 14,000 for the month of March 2021 is to be paid. Therefore, this is the accrual closing balance. But this is accrual opening balance. This is a not paid amount for previous year. And this is a paid amount during the account period. Therefore, think about previous year not paid amount also paid during the account period. Therefore, this value includes previous year not paid amount also. And this year, March telephone bill was not paid in cash. Paid or not based on accrual concepts, you have to include income statement for the year value. Therefore, you have to know how much should be include income statement as well as financial position. Normally, there are two ledger accounts. First one, prepare the ledger accounts, telephone expense account as well as accrual telephone expense. There are two ledger accounts. Telephone expense accounts, telephone expense, telephone expense accounts, as well as accrual telephones. Accrual telephones, it has given opening balance also. Accrual telephone. Therefore, this one accrual. Accrual telephones. That's a liability. And from the beginning, take the balances. It has given opening balance also. Those are adjustment. Try to recognize how to record if it has given opening balance as accrual expense. Think how much should be included income statement as expense. First one, take the balances available in the trial balance. Given telephone expense balance equal to 267,000. That value should be included as a balance brought forward debit side. That value should be included as a balance brought forward debit side. And accrual telephone expense account also given balance. Accrual telephone expense account balance, it has given 21,000. This is opening balance and credit side. Therefore, that value should be included in the accrual telephone expense account as a balance brought forward. Right. Now think about closing balance. It has given accrual telephones, opening balance also available. This is a previously not paid amount. It has paid during the account period. Therefore, 21,000. This is the not paid amount for previous year. It has paid during the account period. Therefore, this value includes previous year not paid amount also. If it has given opening balance, that value should be transferred to the expense accounts. If it has given opening accrual expense account balance, that value should be transferred to the expense accounts. Therefore, step number 1, opening balance should be transferred to the expense accounts. Therefore, double entry, accrual telephone expense account debit now, 21,000 as a telephone. As a telephone, and telephone expense account credit, telephone expense account credit 21,000 as accrual telephones. This is step number 1. Opening balance should be transferred to the relevant expense accounts. Then record closing balance. Telephone charges 14,000 for the month of March 2021 is to be paid. Think values in 1000 and given opening balance also values in 1000. Closing accrual telephone not paid in cash, but it is also relevant for this financial year. Paid or not, based on accrual concepts, for the year value should be considered as expense. Therefore, as expense should be considered for the year value. 14,000 relevant for this financial year, but not paid in cash. Paid or not, this value also should be considered as expense. Therefore, telephone expense account debit, accrual telephone account credit. Think how to record closing balance. 14,000 telephone expense account debit as accrual telephones and accrual telephone account credit as a telephone expense. 14,000. Name of other ledger account as a telephone expense. Think about double entry. First one, opening balance should be transferred to the expense accounts. And second steps, closing accrual expense should be recorded. Now telephone expense is expense accounts. Expense account should be closed. Closed difference value should be considered as income statement. Take the debit side total amounts equal 281,000 and take that value credit side. Then difference value, this one minus this one. Therefore, this is a value should be included income statement as a telephone. Closing entry here as an income statement. Here as income statement. Therefore, difference value should be considered as expense under administration expense. 1 marks. As well as accrual telephones. Liability balance carried down. Credit side total amount increased 35,000. Take that value credit side. Therefore, difference value here as a balance carried down. Balance carried down from debit side to credit side. Balance carried down. Therefore, difference value equal 14,000. It should be included credit side as a balance brought forward. As a balance brought forward credit side 14,000. Therefore, this is value should be included under current liability as accrual telephones. As accrual telephones. And income statement as a telephone expense should be considered only 260,000. Think it has given opening balance as well as closing balance. Think about opening accrual value should be add and closing balance should accrual opening balance should be deduct and closing accrual value should be add. As expense should be included income statement. Opening accrual value deduct, closing balance should be add. Then that is answer should be included under income statement. Normally accrual expense would be add, but if it has given opening accrual value, that value should be deduct. Reason, this is a previously not paid amount. It has paid in cash during the account period. Therefore, this value included this financial year also. Reason, paid in cash. Therefore, opening, if it has given accrual value, it should be deduct. And closing accrual value should be add. That is a value should be considered as expense. But financial position as a liability should be included only closing accrual value. Closing accrual value. Then think how to prepare ledger account also. Opening balance should be transferred to the expense accounts and closing balance should be recorded as accrual expense. Then by closing expense accounts, for the year value can be recognized. And closing accrual value under current liability.